Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm doing a really quick video for you guys on how to turn on waveform monitor on your Panasonic LUMIX G9 cameras. I struggled with it for a really long while. I couldn't do it. I couldn't find the settings. So it's really simple and I'll show you guys. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you'd like to see more content, please do like, subscribe and watch more videos. Alright, so this is my camera over here, and what I'll do is I'll zoom in a tiny bit. Okay, so after it's been turned on, I want you guys to go into the menu settings. So after that, I want you to, first of all, by the way, just press this button and go into M, or I've customized it to something else, but go into M movie, okay, and make sure this one's set to just one frame. All right, so you'll get this menu up here, the movie with the M. So I want you to go up to that, and as you can see, you've got waveform monitor here. What you guys got to do is turn it on and just place it where you want it. So I leave it normally around here, just on the side. You can touch screen it as well and just leave it there, and then exit it, and that's basically it. It's been turned on. It really helps with showing you exactly where and what is being shown on your camera and their light frequency. All right guys, if you guys want to see a video on how to actually use the waveform monitor, let me know. But other than that, that's basically it. It's really straightforward. Let me know in the comments below if you struggled with it and how you found the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Take good care. Bye bye.